kapag ba nakuha ko na yung goal, weight ko pwede na mag-rise kahit onte or low carb pa rin. Para sa mga weight loss talaga yung hinahabol sa low carb, just understand that yung insulin effect po, kaya nga po mahalagang maintindihan yung pundasyon nito. Bakit ba tayo nagiging ng weight? Let's say sa kaso po ninyo, wala po talaga kayong sakit na nire-reverse, talagang ang goal ninyo ay weight loss lamang. Let's go back to the foundation. Bakit po ba tayo nagiging ng weight? So, we gain weight dahil po sa fat deposition. Ano ang nagtitrigger ng fat deposition? These are the building hormones. So, ang pinaka-major building hormone dyan is insulin. So ngayon, pag naintindihan nyo po ito, then the logic follows that anytime you flood your body with increased insulin secretion, magde-deposit ka talaga ng taba. So now, let's say, na-lose mo na yung weight because you were like eating less insulin-stimulating food. Ito yung mga pagkain na makukuha natin sa food guide. Kung wala ka pang food guide, message lang dito sa page, join sa group. Nandun yung welcome package, kasama dun yung food guide, at marami pang ibang resources. Once you lose that weight, and you start eating again, things that will make you deposit fat, then marireverse ulit yung magandang nangyari na sa katawan ninyo, babalik po yun. So, that is why, mga kapatid, it is really important to find a sustainable way of eating. Ang restrictive low carb is not truly sustainable in the long run. Lalong-lalo na po kung sobrang calorie deficit siya. At the same time, very restrictive siya. Unang-una is very limiting, nakakasuya, nakakasawa. Mahirap siya i-maintain kasi things happen. For example, travel happens or mga okasyon. Alam niyo yung maraming mga pagkakataon na mababago yung lifestyle mo. So if you're very restrictive, mahirap hanapin, right? And so madali kang madapa. I suggest po mga kapatid, once you reach your goal, ano man goal yan, it can be disease reversal, it can be weight loss reduction, then you start to do a kind of combination sa inyong low carb way of eating. Sabi ko nga, like Mediterranean, low carb Mediterranean, na talagang sustainable siya for the long run. Gano'n ka-sustainable? Dekada ang pinag-uusapan. I've been kind of the same weight for the last, siguro, 18 years or so po, So, maybe sometimes it fluctuates, of course, hindi naman yan na all the time ganun ka. Hindi ko gusto sa restrictive low carb, for my case specifically, is masyado ako nangangayaya talaga sa restrictive low carb. So, and I don't like being extremely payat. Kailangan po natin yung muscles, po mga kapatid. And that's the other piece for sustainability, resistance training po. So anyway, yun po, find a sustainable way for you to do it. Huwag manumbalik sa high carb. Pag bumalik ka sa high carb, what will happen is you will just regain all the weight that you've lost.